To fix a Whirlpool tall plowed washer that won't spin, start by ensuring the washer's lid closes correctly. If the lid is closing properly, as indicated by a clicking sound, then this is not the issue. Next, try redistributing the load and restarting the cycle to see if this resolves the problem. If not, check the drive belt, typically located at the back panel, for dislodgement or damage. A damaged or worn drive belt will need to be replaced. If the drive belt is not the cause, inspect the motor coupler for any signs of damage or tears, as these will require replacement. Additionally, examine the control board for visible burns or damage, and replace it if necessary. If you are not confident in performing these steps, it is recommended to seek the help of a professional. If the issue persists, contact the Whirlpool support team to schedule an appointment with a professional.